All right, so we're looking at the current problem with the rate and trying to figure out the rate of the water and then the rate of the current. And they give you your times here. Now, the biggest thing is that you need to make sure your times are in miles per hour. Sometimes it'll work when you don't do that, but you need to get in the habit of making sure your units are accurate as much as you can and jiving with your rate, which is in miles per hour. The current is in miles per hour. So here they told us we had the time of 20 minutes to go downstream. And that means the current is going to help push us. So our rate plus our current, the boat current rate plus the current of the water multiplied by the time is going to give us our distance of 8 miles. Coming back, we have to paddle against the current. So the current's going to slow us down. So we're going to have rate minus the current is going to give us our rate there. And then our time was 30 minutes because it took us longer. So that again, that should all make sense to you, that it took you longer to go back upstream because you're paddling, you're losing your rate due to the current. But the distance is still the same. Remember, rate times time equals distance. So we can set up the equation, rate, here's our rate, times our time, which is here, 1/2, which is the 30 minutes, converted into hours, equals 8. And then the other equation is 1/3 times your rate plus your current equals 8 as well. Now, what you want to do here is I get rid of these fractions. So I multiply this equation by 2 on both sides. And then multiply this equation by 3 on both sides to get rid of those fractions. And this is what I get. I get the first equation here equals 16, and the second equation equals 24. So then I can solve by elimination or which is what I use. It's the easiest one. It's set up. Our currents are going to cancel out. I get 2 times the rate equals 40. And then I can solve for the rate, which is 20. Plugging it back into either equation, I get my current to be 4. And there is your solution. Hope this helps.